Hey friends, welcome to Gurukul. I am your favorite analyst back again to the channel. So, in this channel, I am teaching you high probability setup. To have a good grasp on all setup, you must watch this video till end. If you skip or fast forward any of this part, then you will miss out on important aspects. So, guys, please do watch the video fully. In the end, please subscribe, like, and share if you find anything knowledgeable. Also, do comment your any of the queries you have in your mind. I will definitely try to resolve your query by answering it back or by making a video for you. So this is a commitment to you and towards the learners who are keen to learn from this channel. So guys, what is the setup? The setup I'll be defining you in this channel today. Yes, that setup which any stock makes prior to a big move. These setups are being continuously made by only those stocks where a big move is impending. Such setups are being repeated continuously since past 100 years. Presently, the stocks are still displaying such setups, and in future, they will keep on making these winning setups. Such setups are symmetrical pattern, that is symmetrical triangle pattern, ascending triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern, W pattern or W bottom, or you can say double bottom, inverse head and shoulder pattern, rounding bottom pattern, cup and handle pattern. You must be thinking that all these patterns you must be aware of, and many YouTubers have already given such patterns and they are flooding in many of the channels of YouTube. Then what new I am going to tell? The new thing I am going to tell is that what exactly the prices and the volume as well as our moving averages, that is 10 EMA and 21 EMA, how they are behaving during these patterns, you must understand that. If you understand that, then definitely you will catch this pattern. Many people also fakely carry out or understand these patterns. Sometimes the patterns, the price will be making, you will be thinking that, okay, this is a cup and handle pattern, but actually it is not because the price action or the volume does not entail that, right? So here I will first teach you the pattern. Then we will see all these pattern in live charts whenever we will be carrying out our analysis in each stocks, right? So let's understand the pattern first, how the pattern is being drawn. So first coming to it is symmetrical triangle pattern. Next is ascending triangle pattern. Then is descending triangle pattern. W bottom or double bottom, then inverse head and shoulder, then it is a rounding bottom pattern, then it is cup and handle pattern. Okay, so let's understand the symmetrical triangle pattern, how it looks, how the pattern will look in a chart. This purple is the movement of the price, right? This purple is the movement of the price, and this is the line which we will draw on the price. So assume that this is a pathway of a candlestick, or it can be the closing of line chart. I hope you are aware that the line charts act on the closing price only, right? So this can be closing price which you are giving in line chart. Assume that way, or also you can see if we will put a trail on candlesticks by drawing some the these lines, zigzag lines, then it will form a symmetrical triangle, right? Then coming to the ascending triangle pattern, I am drawing line fast so that it can look slightly neat and clean. That's why. There can be two variations, right? In symmetrical triangle pattern, one can be this, and the second can be on a horizontal line. So it can be on a slanting line, or it can also be on a horizontal line, right? So both are ascending triangle pattern. Why it is ascending triangle? You see the vertex, lower vertex of the triangle is slowly ascending towards the trend line or the horizontal resistance, right? Here, both the top highs and the bottom highs both are reducing. Here, the top high is constant while the bottom high is reducing drastically, right? Now we will see descending triangle pattern. So this is discipline triangle pattern where vertex are in a pattern, lower vertex are in a pattern, while the upper vertex are reducing drastically, right? Yeah, I have pulled it below so that it can look slightly, the drawing should look good to you. And believe you me, the same drawing you will get, same to same pattern you will get in stock market also, in any of the stocks. There is no change in pattern. The best stocks or the winning stocks show a clear cut, beautiful, artistic pattern. Okay. So this is also a descending triangle pattern. These are the two variations in the descending triangle pattern. This is double bottom or W bottom. This can look like this, or this can be like this, where one side of the W you might find going up, or this can also be like this, right? So all this pattern comprises W bottom. Why I'm giving you variations? Because nothing is sacrosanct in market, nothing is fixed, right? Nothing is fixed. Okay. One thing you must remember: every stock, every stocks print a different candle every day, right? But the patterns of the candles remain the same. That's why we look pattern and not the candlesticks much. But yes, we must understand the psychology behind the candlesticks and volume. Then only you will identify, or will be easier to identify whether these patterns are constructive or destructive patterns, right? So coming to inverse head and shoulder pattern, it can be like this, or else it can be like this. You must have be thinking that, can an inverse head and shoulder be slanting? Yes, it can be slanting, right? It can be slanting. There can also be like this. So you must always respect such patterns whenever you get during the market. This is a rounding bottom pattern. In good such rounding bottoms you'll get. The more the rounding bottom, the better is the pattern, the stronger is the pattern. The less the rounding bottom, that means it is going to consolidate after breaking out from this rounding pattern somewhere during the path while the price is taking towards its peak. Okay. So coming to the pen handle pattern, this is exactly how the price moves. They will form a bottom, then they will start decreasing with low volume, and then they will sudden outburst of the stock moving up, right? So all these patterns, you can take a screenshot of these patterns, or you can practice it in the pen, and you will definitely find it easier if you practice it lot many times, right? If you won't practice, then it is very difficult, right? So if you practice correctly, practice rightly, then it will train your eyes. And if your mind eyes is trained, your mind will automatically get trained, and you will automatically catch all these patterns yourself without anybody's help, right? So aim is that. Okay. So all these setups we all see in this chart, in this channel, during our stock analysis, we will be definitely discussing all of them one by one. Whenever we come across any of this pattern, I will definitely explain it. What are the going? Because I don't want to give you any hypothetical examples. I want to give you the realistic examples, the live examples, which we will be carrying out during our stock analysis. Why I'm carrying out stock analysis? Because during the stock analysis, you will get to know the stocks, and not only one stock. Each stock will be displaying such kind of patterns. So you will automatically come to know that, okay, these patterns are not new to us. They are repetitive. They have been repeated, still repeating, and will be repeated in future, right? So such setups you must buy hard. Apart from this setup, if you find any other setup, they are just derivatives of these stocks or setups, right? So, right, guys, with this, we have come to the end of the video. So please do like, subscribe, and share if you find anything knowledgeable or anything helpful to you. Also, again, I will request to comment if you have any query, then I will definitely answer it by commenting it back or through making a new video for you. Till that time, goodbye, guys. Take care and learn hard, study well. Bye bye.